Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find Jormuntide Ignis in the primary island area of the game. You can find them in these little lava pools off to the side of Feybreak Island. The kind of coordinates for where I am right now looking at one is -763, -1214. And these guys kind of spawn all around these little lava pools over here. So they're kind of easy to find, yet at the same time they share a spawn with other critters. So keep that in mind if you want to come out here and farm for them. And they're around 65 to 70 in level. They're not too difficult to deal with, in my opinion. You just got to make sure you bring adequate spheres, like ultimate, exotic, or higher, in order to catch them. And there you have it. I caught one here previously when I first was exploring over in this area. There's also a bunch of chests around that you can oftentimes find additional spheres in while you're here. Off in this corner over here, down below the lowest of the pools, where you can generally also sometimes see a Jormuntide Ignis, you will find a teleporter to make it really easy to get back and forth over here. Alright, so let's take a look at Jormuntide Ignis's stats. So they really only have one work suit ability, and that's level 7 Kindling, which isn't bad if you need a Kindling pal, not great if you want one that does more than one thing, unless you got a bunch of skill books, which I got quite a few at the end of the game here, so maybe you just want to crunk them out and make them super useful. Their sort of partner skill is they can be ridden, and while in a party, they nullify lava damage and increase the player and pal's damage to enemies afflicted with burn by 50%. So that's kind of cool. And I'm pretty sure you can ride this in the ocean because I think it still counts as a fish. For abilities, it's mostly fire and a couple pieces of dragon damage, along with one thing of lightning for whatever reason. This one came with insulated body, which decreases incoming lightning damage by 10%, but nothing too fancy. So yeah, no, that's kind of cool. I like the way that it looks. So that's where you find Jormuntide Ignis on the southeast side of Feybreak Island in the lava pools. I hope you found this video helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.